The first people in America are known to be Clovis, who lived around 12,000 years ago, although some researchers show that America had been inhabited thousands of years prior to them. However, no one came back to the other side of the world to tell that there exists a new land, far beyond the seas. In 1492, Spain came under the rule of Ferdinand and Isabella. In the same year, they sponsored Christopher Columbus to find new routes to India as the Ottoman Turks blocked sea route from Europe to Asia. Columbus was promised 10% of all the profit and many other perks. Columbus made 4 voyages. In 1492, 1493, 1498 and 1502, and he discovered the continent of America, mainly the southern part and not the modern-day USA. Columbus wrote, "As soon as I arrived in the Indies, on the first island which I found, I took some of the natives by force in order that they might learn and might give me information of whatever there is in these parts." Columbus wanted information about the wealth. When he arrived in America, the 3 major groups present there were the Aztecs, Incas, and Red Indians. Aztecs had a unique way of sacrifice. They used to sacrifice males, galvanized them and meanwhile tore apart the abdomen and took the burning heart out of the person. Incas were an engineered nation and had good quality transportation and architectural means. However, they could not fight much and could easily be subjugated. Red Indians were the most numerous. They could not be enslaved. 5 years after Christopher Columbus, in 1497, England entered into the strange land as John Cabot arrived. The name of America is owed to Amerigo Vespucci, as a new world map was made based on his explorations.